My countrymen, as of the 21st of this month, I signed Proclamation number 1081, placing the entire Philippines under martial law. This is not a military takeover. I repeat, this is not a military takeover. I, as your duly elected President of the Republic, use this power conferred upon me by the Constitution to protect our Republic and our people. We are in the midst of a rebellion and anarchy. The government must act not tomorrow, not next week, but now. I assure you that I shall not waste this power vested upon me. I shall use it to save our Republic and to reform our society. This is our last chance to avoid chaos, to strengthen our nation, and to secure the future of our children.